Right, so looking at our next rule, verleerdheid, verbs with N in the middle of the two verbs. What do we do there? Well, there are sort of two, we're going to sort of do two rules at the same time here. Let's look at these four sentences. Die kinders lê in slaap elke middag. So you have that sort of situation there where you have two verbs with an N in the middle. Ons loop en sing in die gange. James eet en drink by die partytjie. Die span draf en swem op die strand. So as soon as you see that, just treat your two verbs as a unit like that, and then they will move to the end, and we'll put a het in the place of it. So we just do the answer there. Die kinders het elke middag gelê en slaap. You have to ask yourself, can these two verbs be done at the same time? And if these two actions can happen at the same time, then you only want to put a ge on one of them. So you move them both to the end. Because they happen at the same time, you only put a ge on the first one. So you move them back in the same order that they were in the sentence. You don't swap around the order or anything. And you put a ge there on that first verb. You can perhaps remember it like this, because both things are happening at the same time, lying and sleeping. You only need one ge to cover both actions. If you look at the next one very quickly, ons loop en sing. We're walking and singing in the passages, in die gange. You want to move loop and sing to the end, move them out, and put a het where they used to be. Put a ge onto loop there, and that'll be your answer. Then the other type is obviously where the two verbs cannot be performed at the same time. And so they will both take a ge. So there's your two verbs, you want to push them up to the end. Because they're happening at different times, you need a ge there, and you need a ge there. There'll be a deelteken on that E, which I can't do now because I don't have numbers here. But you'll put a het in there, geëet en gedrink. Die span draf en swem. They're jogging and swimming. You can't jog and swim at the same time normally. So you need, because they're happening at different times, they will both need a ge. Gedraf en ge swim. And you need a het in there. So that's the two types. So don't miss the N. If you miss the N and you only see one verb, then you're going to get this wrong. If you only move lê to the end and put a het in there, it's going to be completely wrong. So just watch out for two verbs. And for some reason they like testing this rule. Because I think it's because they're two different types here. So watch out for that one. Cool, we'll move on to the next rule as soon as we can. Goodbye.